What's up, traders? Welcome to BAS Report. Today I'm here to give you my report on the newest UI and scanning features. So stick around because you don't want to miss it. We got some features that you won't find anywhere else at an affordable price. So if you're new to BAS Report, you can hit get started to register your account. It's only about $10 a month, so that's pretty affordable. And if you're like me, you already have an account, you can just head over to log in at the top right and click log in, put in your email address and password and click sign in. So right off the back, I just really love the new design. They did a really good job with this. Everything's in one place. It's very intuitive how to get around. We have our guides, our screener, similar charts, even market overview all in one place. But let's just get started with our screener showcase. So if this is your first time in the screener, we'll be starting in the table layout. We also have a couple other layouts, charts, details, and industries. And this is the standard setup. But first things first, we need to set up our screener to our liking. Now, I'm a guy who likes to trade based on probabilities. So trading based off different metrics is pretty important to me. So I'm going to head over to columns, and then I'm just going to click on the header columns that I find important for my trading, and you guys can do the same. So I can get rid of country, take BPR, ADR, and 20-day dollar volume. Looks good. So the next thing you'll notice is that we have over 10,000 different results. And I didn't even know it was, this many stocks, honestly. But we need to filter this down. You can't do a good scan with that many stocks. So if you're not familiar with how to scan in BAS Report, we already have a video and some guides up. You can just go back to the home screen, click on guides, and you should get a list of guides showing you exactly what to do and how to filter inside of BAS Report. But as I was saying, 10,000 stocks is just too many to really run a scan and prepare for the next day market open. So I'll be adding a filter so we can do ADR, which is just a volatility filter. And then we can add a liquidity filter because, you can't ever let the stocks catch you slipping, if you know what I mean. So let's do 3 million. That seems about right. So yeah, I got my 6 zeros there. All right, so we'll do 3 million, and I'll head out of the filters. And as you can see, now we have 1,500 results. That's a lot better, but we still need to improve on this. 1,500 is still too many for me, at least, to do a proper scan. So I will be adding a performance filter. And this performance filter will filter out any stocks that haven't made a 30% move minimum from lowest to highest in the last 50 days. And with that, you will see now we have 573 results. And this is good. With this, we can create a universe that we can analyze, prepare for the next day market with pretty efficiently. And what I want to do now is I'm going to add the 50-day range, and I'm just going to sort by this performance filter to see which stocks are doing the best. So you can sort by just clicking this arrow. It doesn't matter which one. All you need to do is click it, and then you'll sort, and you can see the top stocks. I'm not sure what this one is, but we got stocks I'm familiar with, like BMR, OLA, RSVN, and you can actually look at the chart. It's a chart in the bottom right-hand screen corner. But if you want to look at charts, you can actually just head over to the charting layout, and then you'll see we have all these different charts, and it's in order by what we just sorted by that 50-day performance. But what if you find a reoccurring theme in the top charts? Big gap would have run up, big gap would have run up, big gap would have run up, big gap would have run up. And you want to scan based on that observation. Well, I don't know why you're not subscribed then, because you guessed it. This is our newest feature, the ability to filter your scans based on similarity to your favorite breakouts or reversal, whether the chart is historical or current. And you can find this feature under filters, under similarity. For me, one of my favorite breakouts was AMC during COVID. Not only did it make a massive move, it had the funniest memes on the internet. Man, those are the best stock memes. I'm pretty sure someone who was trading during that time will appreciate it. But You can just enter your favorite breakouts or reversals into here using the calendar. You don't actually have to use a calendar. I just find it easier, but you can actually type in the date as well. But yeah, I just use the calendar because I think it's just easier for me. So you can see we have a start and end date that signifies where it's tracking for Similarity. You can just hit confirm. And yeah, we'll get some charts. So yeah, you can see these stocks are running up and they're consolidating. I said chalks. But yeah, AMD looks pretty good. So does this one, Suave, and so does this one. Yeah, I mean, you know, these charts look very similar. And as we go further down, the similarity should decrease. But I mean, even these look pretty decent. But yeah, we can head back and go into the table. And we actually have a similarity column, which you can filter by. Let me just get out of filters, just clogging up the screen. But yeah, we got a similarity column we can just filter by. And yep. I mean, sort. So you can see we just sorted by that. And yeah, AMD looks pretty good. And let's just say you found something that was similar and you want to trade it. You can actually just head over to details. And in the details, you can find more about the stock. So we'll head into our detail layout. And as you can see, we still have a chart, but we also just have some information nicely presented to us. So the exchange similarity score. Wow, you won't see me reading out loud again. Market cap, beta, price, and earnings. So we have some fundamentals. We have ADR. So we provide you with a good list of metrics to track. And on the right of the chart, we have our description. This is like an analysis of the company, of the stock. And while it's not a full-blown fundamental report, it is a great introduction to get you started if you want to know what the company does. So let's get moving on. We can move on to our final tab, which is the industries, and it's probably my favorite tab, honestly. And it's mainly because I believe in the power of trading when you have an advantage, when the market's in your favor. And one of the best ways to do this is to be trading in theme. So let's just say we thought AMD was in theme and that the semi sector or industry was hot. How will we go about this? So we can head over to filters, and then we can use the last 20 days to gauge how hot this theme is. So I'll just use 50. Wait for that to pull up. And then from here, I can sort by the stocks. And once I get a sorting, I can see which stocks are doing the best. So software application, biotech is strong. And you see only 3 semis have made a 50% move in the last 20 days. So maybe I should be looking at trading something like software applications instead. So with that being said, I can confirm or deny my bias by using this. It's a very useful tool to have, and it's very good for reacting to situational awareness. If you're not subscribed by now, I really don't know why. It's only $10 a month. It's very affordable. It has tools you won't see anywhere else. It gives you sector awareness. So I got nothing else to say. I'm heading out, but subscribe to BAS Report or miss your next multi-bagger because you're on the toilet. Peace.